Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to my favourite chocolate in the world, the Cadbury Twirl. We're here at Cobham Services for a huge meet. There are meant to be 75 clubs attending tonight, which I don't believe, but we shall see. I mean, is he ew or is he sexy? But whilst it's quiet, it seems the Twirl van and the Aventador are either repositioning or leaving. Give us a twirl, mate. The meet doesn't officially... That's what we wanted to hear. Yeah, it doesn't officially start for another 5 or 10 minutes. Billy is here with his brand new Mark 1 MX-5 with the golden wheels next to the Lexus IS and the Mazda 3 and a broken down vehicle. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Literally 8 o'clock on the dot. All of the cars are rolling through. Yeah, we knew there'd be flames. Here we go, Lamborghini number 2. We've got the Gallardo Performante. I feel like I have to remind you each time, they did make a Gallardo Performante. It was the Superleggera Spider, and here one is in yellow. That is gorgeous. Here's his mate in the R8. Every Lexus IS seems to have a white front. I mean, I heard the flames, I didn't see the flames. There's a TT that's literally on fire. Do you think if I run, I'll capture it? I'm gonna run. Oh, I keep missing it. These guys are sat on chairs. The 6 Series is popping as well. It's a revolution competition. He's out of his car. He's watching it himself. He's holding up traffic. There they are. Horns are being played now. I think it's time to go. We can film the 6 Series instead. No flames yet. They've stopped again up the road. I need some rollerblades so I can get to and from bits easy. Interception has been made, so the TT and the Focus are now together. I can hear flames. Oh, he stopped. That probably means he's going to set fire to his mate. Not enough. Oh, ho, ho. You should stand next to him and oh, they're gonna. Here they go. Here we go. Oh, careful. I can still hear horns in the background. Whoa, the TT is incredible. I love that. Okay, that punches. It's pretty crazy. That's mental. That's warmed me up. There is a bit of traffic now, and a Tesla of all cars. His alarm's gone off. Well, we've got the S14 next. Your turn. Look at that cannon, that cannon flame. I mean, I'd be impressed to see a diesel Mondeo flame. So a revolution competition has begun. There's an IS popping now. There's a Rover with a Marlboro lid. Oh, some spontaneous flames from the It's a race car. I want to hear the Civic, but I'm not sure where his exhaust is. Maybe he doesn't have one? As yet undecided. Everyone's trying to set the Tesla's alarm off. I'm actually intrigued as to where the exhaust is on this. It's not on the front, not down the side. I was just looking for the exhaust.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see how light it is. Or how strong you are. It's not even their car.
It's a side pipe just here.
Is there a side pipe? Oh, I didn't spot that. Oh, there it is. There we go. The Aventadors revving in the distance. Probably flames. It sounds like 2. There's more. Oh, the Escort. Aventadors. We've now created a semicircle of people around the Lamborghinis, the front and the back, probably due to the revolutions. 2012 Aventador. It's been far too long since I've heard an event. Oh, they're doing it. I just need these two to move out the way. Well, you can see the effect that two Lamborghini Aventadors have. It's just a shame we had two people stood right in the way of the two Aventadors. They could have moved back, but oh well, you get the gist of what happened. Both flaming at the same time. We've got a TT flaming with the Focus. There's something else as well. There's a pink E46 turning up now. The E46 is at an E36 squeeze next to it. And even after all of that action, we still have members of the community on chairs awaiting arrivals. There's a Scania, and the latest arrival is this pair of Scirocco's. This one has black and chrome green. That one has orange and chrome blue. We've now got a Focus ST, presumably the same one from earlier, popping some flames. You can see the spark of the flames. I think we're going to get a TT to do some more as well. Oh, here we go. I've predicted what's about to happen. How you draw a crowd. You just need fire. It's become a very crowded meet in the population of pedestrians on foot. We just heard the rev of an R32. There's a BMW popping, but we're more interested to hear the straight six of this. We also have a pink 350Z turning up. M2 something I flaming for the crowds. Oh look, beans. Is that an Audi S4 that's revving now? I've got to squeeze through this gap and investigate. It's... No, you're not. Oh, flames. Oh, big flames. Please don't pop. Okay, we're good. Oh wow, they're big. They are big. That is literally, that is constant. That's impressive. Wow. He needs to be careful not to set fire to the Citroen C4, who has ruined her maneuver. They're smiling. Whoa. Okay, who's next? Oh, do you reckon they're going to see the external combustion over there? Sorry, but I'm going to call the police, because look, we got fire. The TT is scaring people. They've just announced a second location, so I reckon cars are going to start rolling out. The police are now manoeuvring elsewhere. I think I've got here at the right time. I may have missed one little slide. The mic was using alternative sources of propulsion. Oh, the course. Yes, hello. That was an acceleration. As was that. Turbocharged Mark II Escort, beeping the horn. Way! More flames. we've been waiting for, the first Aventador of the duo to leave. Bring nails back, said the guy in the 12 van with no neons. Oh, there we go. Oh, the Peugeot's exhaust has fallen off. He's pulling over. We just heard an almighty metallic sound and his exhaust. Oh, look, it's completely fallen off. What's he going to do? Is he going to just rip it off? Hello. Look at the lean on the micro. Careful. R32 is what we've been waiting for. Oh my god. Do you reckon the TT is going to provide? No, I don't think the Focus is going to provide either. Probably due to the police car that's stalking them to the next location. Oh, there they are. I almost put the oh, and again. Can I put it down? Yes. But that was pretty much that. I'm not sure if that was strictly 75 clubs, but who knows? They're now off to Guildford, and all we've got left is a GR Yaris. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and photos of all of the meets that I go to. And there's a link in the video description for all the information about Adam Seafest, which is coming up fast. So get your tickets linked below. So I hope you enjoyed that video. But for now, thanks for watching.